Time is very foggy today. See how everywhere getting dark. It's very cold today in Jamaica, Mandeville, Manchester. Place is very foggy. So you notice the cars and the vans or trucks have to drive with their headlights on to give a better clearance for you that is passing by, you know. Yeah man, so just remember to do the right thing, man, as you come. I just want to say I appreciate you all for watching. Don't taking the time out of your day, night or even to watch this channel grow. As you come, I just want you to know this, that I appreciate you all for subscribing and for liking and sharing and for comments and good comments. So day by day as we come out here, we'll do our best to let you smile and to see something new, something that will put a smile on your face. As the truck goes by. But today is rainy, foggy and cold. So just remember to like, share and subscribe to Mr. Meeks Life Plan YouTube channel and hit the notification bell so you can get some more updates and Leland truck, original Leland, no? This is where you find Phil's hardware coming from Lane, George's Valley side. And this is where you find Pro Hardware on the same road coming from George's Valley. So we're heading to this road take you to Hillside, Nakpachik, NCU. This road take you to Mandeville, into the town of Mandeville. Not going into the town of Mandeville on this side. This road takes you to Teachers College. So my friend, just remember to do the right thing. As I always say, remember, if you don't subscribe yet to this channel, just run over and subscribe to Mr. Meeks Life Plan YouTube channel and hit the notification bell so you can get some more updates. And all, wherever I travel to, you will travel with me. So just remember, I thank you for everything. So as we travel through this rainy season, I pray that you will be safe and I will be safe also. this road takes you to Manchester School, and back in the town of Mandeville also. Takes you from Waltham Road, back into the town where you find Mega Mart over there. Find Mega Mart there, and you find Manchester School here, and find Manchester School right here. Manchester School, and you find the NCB Bank there. Mega Mart. Yeah, my people, so I'm going out of the town now. This road take you to Spurchie, Montego Bay, Westmoreland, St. Elizabeth, you name it. Montego Bay, Westmoreland, Nickville, wherever you want to go, this road take you. So catch you soon. Road takes you to Spurchie. Have to be keep on going two side the road because of potholes, you know? Potholes. It's not easy. And some people go over and don't come back over in the neatest way because of the way the road is and the way the pothole is. So they find themselves in problem in the sense of getting licked by other cars, because by the time they come back over, they find themselves on the wrong side and then they get licked, you know? See it? Really bad. But my friend, just want to tell you, say thanks for watching. As I continue my journey, I pray that you will all be safe and just do the right thing. Like and share and subscribe and hit the notification bell to Mr. Meeks Live Plan YouTube channel as we say bye for now, and just do the right thing. Subscribe and like, and thank you all for your support and love.
So my people, now that we come to a closure, please remember to do the right thing. Like, share and subscribe and hit the notification bell. Thank you for watching Mr. Meek's Lifeline YouTube channel.